Hey, let's take this journey together. So, this is my take on what the day looked like for me on the day that I reunited with my sister. I'm just here doing my hair and getting my makeup done. So, I haven't seen my sister in over 4 years, so almost 5 years since I've seen her. So, this is a very special moment. Not only am I nervous, am I happy? There's so many feelings I'm feeling at this time. So I decided just to film just a part of the day of what it took for me to get ready for her. And I asked her to do the same, to just, take moments within the day, and we decided to do this video together. So this is just me here with my cousin thinking about what to do for the sign and coming up with different ways on how to make the sign. As you can see, she's there getting ready to take her flight. I can only imagine what she's feeling at this time. And, well, we all don't know, but I'm really happy for this moment. This is us ending one chapter of our lives and stepping into the next chapter of our lives. And we await all that life has to offer to us. And this exciting moment has started for us. So we were at the airport right here, and we've been here for maybe about 2 hours at this time, and we were just waiting and waiting until she gets here.
Two hours later.
Welcome home, Shanetel! Woo! Welcome. Yes, you know what exactly? Welcome. We need to go.
So that's when we're all together. At this point, that's what our journey looks like. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We were so happy to have seen each other after so long. We're so happy to start our lives together, and we will take you along more journeys with us as we explore what life has to offer us together. Alright, so have yourself a wonderful day, everyone, and thank you for joining.